Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to write a program to generate the first n numbers in the Fibonacci sequence in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT how to use Java to write a program to generate the first n numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Show all the steps and explain the details to a beginner. And here is what ChatGPT tell us. So step 1, setting up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with a.java extension. For example, you can name it Fibonacci series.java. Let's write the basic structure. Start by writing the basic structure of a Java program. Public class Fibonacci series, this is the main class declaration. Public static void main, string, args, this is the main method where our program's code will run. Step 2, taking input. Create a scanner object. Inside the main method, create a scanner object to read input from the user. Scanner equals new scanner, system.in. Step 3, generating Fibonacci sequence. First, prompt for input. Display a prompt to the user to enter the value of n, number of terms in the Fibonacci sequence. Add the following lines after creating the scanner object. System.out.print, enter the value of n, int n equals scanner.nextInt. Second, generate Fibonacci series. Generate the Fibonacci series using a loop. Add the following code after prompting for the input. The loop iterates from 1 to n to generate the Fibonacci sequence. The variables first term and second term store the current and next terms of the sequence. Inside the loop, the program calculates the next term, updates the variables, and prints the current term. Now we have the complete code. We first import the scanner class to read input from the user. Then, we create a scanner object named scanner. Next, we prompt the user to enter the value of n. After that, we read the user's input for n using nextInt. The next thing is to initialize variables first term and second term to start the Fibonacci sequence. Next, we display a message indicating that we're printing the Fibonacci series. After that, we use a loop to generate and print the Fibonacci sequence. In the end, inside the loop, we calculate the next term, update variables, and print the current term. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt, navigate to the folder where you saved Fibonacci series.java, and run this command to compile. javac Fibonacci series.java. After compiling, run the program using Java Fibonacci series. Now we can test it out. Let's enter 5 as the number of terms in the Fibonacci sequence. Let's try again with 88. Looks good, perfect. This program demonstrates the basic steps of generating the Fibonacci sequence using a loop. It's a great way for beginners to practice loops and variables in Java. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.